Hello guys, so today I'd like to teach us how to extract audio from a video that you like. Like you will see an actor, they say something in a video, and if you upload that video in your Facebook account, it might be on copyright. So the main thing there is do your own video, extract the voice and add it to your own. It will be unique. When I mean unique, you will love it. So today I will teach us how to extract videos. How to extract voice from a video and add to your own main video. Okay, let's dive in now. So I'll be using my InShot app. I've taught us how to use this InShot before in my previous videos. So I'll go to video. When I go to that place, I will now go to new. When I click on new, I will upload the video that I have made to look like the first video that I want to do. I want to imitate this video. See the video I want to imitate here. This video now. See the video here. This video now. You see the video I want to imitate now. So this is a video I want to use. I want to extract the voice. So I have to remove this video now. I have to go back and discard, because that's not what I'm going to use here. So I'll now go to video and use the video that I have already performed using the same thing done in this video. See the video here. See the video here. This video. But I want to do my own now with my own video, but the same voice. So let's dive in. I've selected a video that I made with it. So this is the video I've made with it. So I will now go to, let me reduce the volume so that you will get what I'm saying here. So because I want to do this video with those voice in the background of the other video, I will now go to this music, select music, you see it here. And now click on it. And now click on music. You will see extract from audio, see it here, imported. So if I want to extract from that video that's just played, I'll click on extract audio from video. It will take me to my gallery. See the video I want to extract the audio here. See the video here. So if I want to extract it, I'll click on this. I'll just click on this good. If I also want to save it, I will also click on this place. It will be saved in this my InShot app. So once I click on this good now, it will be extracted, but because I have extracted it before, so no need. So I'll now go to my imported. See imported. That's where your extracted videos stay. When you extract it from the other side, it asks you to save with a particular name. So here, I saved mine with 5 naira. You can see it here. I saved it with 5 naira. So if I click on it, you see that voice here. So you can hear that audio now from this place. Isn't that easy? Just click on use. Click on use. Once you click on it, it will be applied to this your video automatically. So let's play it so that you will listen. You get the point now. You get it. So it's so easy. Sometimes you will be asking yourself, how are these people doing this? How are they doing this? How did they extract this audio? How did they do this? How did they do that? It's so easy, my dear. It's so easy, simple, and straight to the point. Remember that you also edit your video. I've edited this one that I used here before. That's why it's clear somehow. So I hope you find this useful. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll also await your practicals. Send me your practical. Let me see. Thank you guys for watching. I love you.